What's up guys, my name's Caitlin Morris with Signature Premier Properties, and today we have another kvCORE tutorial for you. kvCORE is our tech platform and it's completely free for all our agents. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about filters and saving filters. So saving filters are really useful for organizing your contacts, especially when you have a lot in there. In one of my previous tutorials I mentioned that you can upload agent contact info, but when you do that, you are going to have thousands of contacts in here, so it gets a little confusing how to discern which contacts are just agent info versus your actual clients. So if you go to your Smart CRM tab on the left-hand side, right now there's a few saved filters in here, so this is what it'll look like. But I added a save filter called My Contacts as a way to discern between my contacts and the different agent info. So I'm just gonna go to All Contacts for now, and then you're gonna click on the Filters button to the left of the search bar. From here, there are a bunch of different ways to organize your contacts, so I definitely recommend playing around with it. But today I'm going to show you how to organize by hashtag is not. So if you got the list from me with Nassau and Suffolk agent info, those are all hashtagged with Nassau and Suffolk agent. So what I'm going to do is filter out by hashtag is not. Under contact details, it's going to open up a menu with a bunch of different filters you can search by. And I'm going to go to hashtag is not and type in Suffolk agents, wait for it to load, and then grab from the drop down and then Nassau agents. Select that and then scroll all the way down. You can either click on apply filters, which will apply at one time, or if this is something you want to do over and over again, especially useful for mass emailing, because on scheduling mass emails, you have the option to send to a save filter. I'm going to click on Save Filter. Now you can name this whatever you want. Since I've done this a few times, I'm just going to name it as My Contacts 3. And then if you switch on pin this filter to the top of your CRM, now like I showed in the beginning, the drop-down menu under All Contacts, it'll be there as well. But you don't have to. So I'm going to switch this on just to show you and click Save New Filter. And now if I scroll up, there it is, My Contacts 3. When I click on that, it'll show all of my contacts that aren't hashtagged by hashtag Nassau or hashtag Suffolk agents. I definitely recommend playing around in there. There are so many different things you can filter by, which makes it really easy to organize your CRM. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you have any questions.